Fear is one of the biggest challenges for English learners. Many people know grammar and vocabulary, but still cannot speak. Why? Because they are afraid of making mistakes. They fear being judged or laughed at. This fear creates a block in the mind. When learners feel nervous, they often forget what they know. Their mouth feels dry. Their mind goes blank. Fear tells them to stay silent. This is common, especially for beginners. Also, many learners compare themselves to others. They feel embarrassed if their pronunciation is not perfect. But this thinking is harmful. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Everyone makes them. Even native speakers do. If you feel fear while speaking English, you are not alone. Many people feel the same. But the good news is this: you can overcome this fear. The first step is to understand that fear is normal. It means you care about learning. Once you accept this, you can begin to take action to overcome fear. It's important to start small. You don't need to speak in long sentences right away. Start with short, simple sentences. For example, my name is Anna. Or, I like coffee. These are easy and help you begin. Speak one sentence out loud every day. You can speak to yourself, to a friend, or even to a mirror. The goal is to speak without fear. Not to be perfect. Another useful tip is to record your voice. Play it back and listen. You might think you sound strange at first. That's okay. Over time, you will get used to your voice and see progress. Join a beginner English speaking group online or offline. Speaking with others helps reduce fear. Everyone in the group will be learning like you. You will feel supported. Don't wait to feel confident. Speak even when you are nervous. Confidence comes after you speak, not before. The more you speak, the less fear you will feel. Remember, every time you speak, You are training your brain to be brave. And bravery is more important than perfection. Many learners believe they must speak perfectly. They wait until their English is good enough. This is a mistake. If you wait for perfection, you may never speak. Instead, focus on progress. Ask yourself, am I speaking more than last week? Am I learning new words? These questions help you see growth. You will make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes are part of learning. In fact, mistakes help you improve. When you make a mistake and someone corrects you, you learn something new. Also, don't worry too much about grammar at the beginning. It's more important to communicate. People will understand you. Even if you make small grammar errors. Speaking clearly and with confidence matters more. Celebrate small wins. Did you speak a full sentence today? That's great. Did you ask someone a question in English? That's progress. Write down your wins in a notebook. Seeing your improvement will motivate you. The journey to fluency is slow and steady. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep moving forward. Today, there are many tools that can help you speak English without fear. Use free mobile apps. These apps let you practice speaking and listening. Watch simple English videos on YouTube. Choose videos for beginners that use clear, slow speech. Repeat what you hear. Pause the video and speak along. Use voice assistants like Google or Siri to practice asking questions in English. For example, say, "What's the weather today?" It's a fun way to practice speaking. Join English speaking forums or groups online. Websites like Reddit, Facebook, or language exchange platforms allow you to talk with real people. Speaking with others helps you learn naturally. If you can, take one-on-one lessons online. A tutor can give personal feedback. It's also a safe space to practice speaking without fear. Use flashcards to remember phrases. Don't just memorize words. Learn short phrases like Can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat that. These are useful in real conversations. The more you surround yourself with English, the more confident you will feel speaking it. Confidence doesn't come from knowing every English word. It comes from trusting yourself to try. The real key to speaking English without fear is mindset. Tell yourself, I am learning. It's okay to make mistakes. Every time I speak, I improve. Positive self-talk helps reduce fear. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own journey. Take time to breathe before speaking. Speak slowly. Don't rush. It's not a race. Speaking slowly also helps others understand you better. Make English a part of your life. Label objects in your home with English words. Think in English for 5 minutes a day. Even small habits like this can make a big difference. Finally, remember your why. Why do you want to speak English? Maybe it's for a job, travel, or making friends. Keep that reason in your heart. It will give you strength. You are not alone. Millions of people are learning English just like you. And every day you try, you are one step closer to fluency. Vocabulary highlights. Fear, the feeling of being afraid. Mistake, something that is not correct. Confidence, belief in your own abilities. Progress, moving forward or improving. Fluency, the ability to speak a language easily. Perfection, without any mistakes or errors. Encourage, to give support or confidence. Communicate, to share thoughts or ideas. Practice, to do something again and again to improve. Mindset, the way you think and feel about something.